Can you sell your stock portfolio now? Because second corona is catching up. With respect to your stocks, whatever you're holding, let's see what is going to happen. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh Through your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. I help in multiplying your money by investing in stock market. And today's topic is all about can you sell your stock market portfolio because market is very volatile from the day of budget. If you look at India's market is very volatile. Budget happened in February and then it has been in a zone, and from the March mid or March end, second COVID wave started rising up. And after that, if you see, global market is very positive. US had given positive results, and the GDP is 6.4% for the last quarter. People started spending back, and the job market is improving. All are good in US market, and because of that, entire even Singapore or European markets are improving. But when it comes to India, the local problems are becoming huge. Last year, even before that itself, the Indian GDP was coming down. It was around 4.2%. So, which means the growth has been narrowed down in the last year itself, before COVID itself. And from COVID, organized market suffered a bit, not a big amount, big way. So the people who are working, who are employed, they didn't suffer, right? And the unorganized people started suffering because of loan moratorium and complete lockdown for 2 months. And migrant laborers started moving towards their hometown, home villages, and they slowly started coming back. And the second corona wave started with deaths happening all across India, and we are seeing bad situations all across many part of India and other places also. The corona wave is catching up in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, where it was less last time, and even now slowly it is catching up with all across India. And we are touching close to 4 lakhs people. I think it was around 3.8 a couple of days ago, and it's still increasing, ever increasing. So let's see how much it can. It's a bad, pathetic situation. So looking at all these points, now the situation. Last time it was complete lockdown. All the employed people, they had a salary cuts. They were able to manage with whatever they had in the last 6 months or 1 year, and they were trying to overcome those situations. After 3 months, they got the job back with salary cuts and everything. But right now, it is even more pathetic. The salary cut is getting deeper, and they need to think. They need to. Some people are losing their jobs. Unorganized market is not getting any next set of help. And even if the next lockdown comes in the coming months, in the coming weeks, even for a week or two or whatever, even if it comes, it's going to be a big headache for all the people who are employed, and they won't have money. They are not having money. The savings had gone down, and the people who had saved, they are surviving for the last 1.5 years. And going forward, without money, if the goods are not selling, automatically the automobile sector, the every other sector will see a big dip. And if the non-performing asset is increasing for the banks, it will be a bigger problem for all the private, and even more bigger problem for public sector banks. Right now, the market looks volatile, but most of the sector is very high. And if you are somebody who wants money, who are invested their hard-earned money in the last 1 year in the name of booking profits, I mean, you tried hard to learn, and I have a group called Unlimited Wealth where people join in and say while joining they need to answer a question. They say that they lost 3 lakhs, 50,000 or 5 lakhs in the last 1 year by doing trading. Even in my webinar, people used to say they lost money. But the point is, right now, it is even more critical. If you are someone who is having money, the next couple of months is going to be very hard. So book your profit or stay vigilant right now. If your job says that it will not be possible for you to be vigilant, better to be selling it off right now or book your profit and leave the cost alone, which is minimal for you to okay to stay for the next 2 to 3 years. If you are in that situation, leave that amount. And if you are somebody who needs that money, who is critical depending upon that money, it is better to exit the stock market and have your money out, because you will get a better situation to enter going forward. Because right now it's very critical. The entire world is watching how India is going seeing, and if the economy is deteriorating, already in the last couple of weeks, from the time second COVID started rising, I'm touching 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakh people had been watching, and the GDP growth rate has been brought down from 12.5, 13.5% to almost less than 10%, which means already last financial year, the one which got over by March 2021, we are supposed to be around minus 8% the financial year because of COVID. So if you are getting 12% or 13%, it means we will be getting around positive 3.5 or 4%, which is very high, right? And now with the second COVID, which will have a deeper impact. That is what everybody are projecting. Even the vaccination is going to take time, which is very clear right now. Even if it happens, the scare already happened in the last 1 month. So if the people, and they are saying that by the mid of May, there will be a huge peak, there will be a huge surge. So stay safe and take care of your portfolio as well, and make sure you are safe right now. More than returns, it's all you need is money. Don't look for returns in the next couple of months. Stay idle, that is good. And you, whenever you're getting a situation, a better position to enter, that is when, without thinking a lot, you should enter. For that, you need to know about what is investing in stock market, and then only you can take a wise decision. There are two things in stock market: trading and investing. Right now, trading is becoming dangerous looking at the current market situation. Better understand and enter stock market right now. And if you need any help, please join my webinar, which is frequently happening every Mondays and Fridays. Registration link is provided. Just click that link, join in, and get the benefit of making more money without losing money in the webinar. You will learn how to invest in stock market, and it is only unique, and it's not, you won't find this kind of webinar which doesn't teach about trading and which teaches only about investing in stock market. Thank you so much for joining in, and please share this video with your friends, and who is having portfolio, who is thinking what should I do right now, and hope you got a fair idea. Please share. If you have any questions with respect to stock market portfolio, should I exit or enter, post your question in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.